Welcome to. This is a place where the dreams you see are not just a concept, but a secret, which can be a message about your life, decisions, and the time to come. Here we present the Islamic, psychological, and spiritual interpretation of your dreams, so that you can know what your dreams say. If you have also had a dream, then there may be an important clue for you in it. So watch the video until the end, like it, and be sure to subscribe to our channel. Let's know the interpretation of today's dream.
Interpretation of fluing in a dream. The spiritual meaning of a fluing dream. Have you ever seen yourself fluing in the air in a dream?
Or have you felt yourself sitting on something and touching the heights of the sky? This dream is common, but its meaning is very deep and spiritual.
Fluing in a dream. Generalinterpretation.
Flying in a dream is usually a symbol of freedom, self-confidence, and spiritual growth. This dream comes when a person wants to be free from some pressure, anxiety, or confinement. If you are flying in the sky without any support, it can be a symbol of your mental strength, self-confidence, and achieving heights in life.
Flying on the meeting.
If you are flying on an animal, carpet, or other object in your dream, it may mean that you want to move forward on the path of progress by relying on some source or person in your life. This dream sometimes tells us that success is possible not only with your own strength, but also with the help of others.
Flying in an airplane.
Traveling in an airplane in a dream usually symbolizes progress, travel, or new changes in life. This dream indicates that your mind or soul is soaring to new heights, and new opportunities are opening up before you. If the flight is easy, it is good news, and if the plane is bumpy, you may face some challenges.
Spiritual message.
From an Islamic perspective, flying in a dream is sometimes a sign of spiritual growth or inner journey. It can indicate that you want to be closer to Allah Almighty or that a big decision is coming in life. Some scholars say that if there is fear in flying, it indicates worldly confusion, and if there is peace, it is a sign of purity of heart. The meaning of flying in a dream can vary according to each person's circumstances, but overall, this dream is a symbol of elevation, freedom, and spiritual awakening. If you have also had such a dream, be sure to tell us in the comments. Subscribe to our channel to know the interpretation of more such dreams. May Allah make your dreams a message of goodness. Amen.